Hi everyone, in this video, we are recreating Apple's AirPods Max Hero section slider in Framer without writing any single line of code. I will leave the remix link and the original website link in the description. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Create a project, go to Layers, Desktop, click this layer to make it stack, then press F to create a frame. Set the width, fill, height, viewport 100 VH, make it layout, then click this desktop, hide, fit content, again click here, right click on it, create a component, name it anything that is meaningful. I'm naming it hero slider, change the name here to desktop, also add fill color, white, opacity 100%, inside it press T to add text, type this text, then make it fill, align center, weight, medium, size, make it 100 for now or more, reduce the letter. We want the text to stay on a single line no matter the screen size, but if you preview the project and resize the width, as you can see, it wraps onto 2 or 3 lines. To fix this, double click on it, click here and then size, make it fit. Now let's see. Perfect, but let's add some space here to the left and right. So I can simply make the size 90%. Yeah, it looks perfect. Next, let's add our image. Drop it here, set the position absolute, align center, and now let's make it responsive. Add max width 100%, max height 100%, scroll down, fill, change the type to fit. Now let's see. Yes, it looks perfect, but again let's add some spacing here. We can simply set the max width 90% or 80%, as well as a height. Yes, it looks perfect. Next, create a variant. Click this image, upload our second image. Now let's connect the navigation to see how it looks. Interaction, appear, delay, make it 1. As for this, drop it here, appear, delay 1. As you can see, it's working, but it's not as smooth as our project or the original website. The issue is that variant 2 uses a different image. When you switch from variant 1 to variant 2, Framer simply replaces the image instantly, so there's no fade animation. To create a fade effect, add the second image to variant 1 as well. So let me just delete this variant, whole variant, and upload our second image. Again, set the max width 100%, max height 100%, change the type to fit, change the position type to absolute, align it center, reduce the opacity to 0 by clicking 0 on your keyboard, create a variant, and for this click here, make the opacity 1. Now add the interaction, delay 1. Now let's see how it looks. Yes, it's much better, similar to our project or the original website. Now delete this and upload the rest of the images. Rename it to 4. Then select all and drop it here. Position, absolute, align, center, add max width 80, max height 80, fill, type, make it fit, opacity, make it 0, and now create 4 more variants. For the second variant, click here, set the opacity 1. As for the third, select the third one, this one, we can drop it here. Make the opacity 1. For this, select the fourth. And finally for this, the last one, name it 5, 4, 3, 2. Click here, drop it here, interaction appear, delay 1. Repeat the exact same process. Now let's see how it looks. Yes, it looks perfect. Now let's create the play and pause button. Draw a frame here. Width, make it 36. Height 36. Click this dot and drag it to the bottom to make it round. Make it layout. Change the color to this color. Inside this, draw a frame. Set the width maybe 4 and color. Paste this color. Make it little tall, like 17. Round it. Then duplicate this. Click here. Reduce the gap to maybe 5. Name it line. Also make it a component. Name it pause and create a hover state. Styles, maybe a little dark. Okay. Now create a variant. Click here. Name it play. Inside this, add icon. You can use Framers plugin or you can import from external website. In this case, I just copied a icon and let me paste it here. Select it, paste arrow icon. Select this to visible, no. Click here, change the color to this color, select it. Also create a hover, select this color, paste it here, and just go to home, double click on it and click this button, drop it to the desktop here, change the position type to absolute, align it top, add top value 40, also right value 40. Now let's make it functional. When someone clicks it, we want the slider to pause. We can just click here and drop it here and expect it to pause the animation. Let's check. As you can see, it's not working because this variant already has the interaction. So to fix this, let's remove the interaction here and then select all the variant, duplicate this by pressing Alt and then click on your mouse, drag it and drop it here, collapse them and rename them 6. Click here and remove the interactions. And then click here, this icon, drop it here, interaction, click. So when someone clicks this variant, we will switch them to here. Same goes on here. Click here, remove it and drop it here. Finally, let's change the icon here, change it to play. Preview it. As you can see, the animation starts automatically, and when you click the button, it stops, and when you click back, nothing worked. So we need to connect it also, this variant. Click here, and when someone clicks here, we'll switch it to this variant. Same goes on here. Let's see one more time. Let's start the animation, and when you click here, pause, and we click again, it's started again. Perfect. Now let's make the tablet and phone version. Just click here, tablet, to make the tablet version, and click here for the phone. Let's see. This is the phone, this is the tablet, and this is the desktop. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video, inshallah.